stop what you're doing right now and listen to my story. I remember when I was about like 14, I used to never go out, never go on adventures like our ancestors did. I always procrastinated. I had days and days where I wouldn't even step outside my home. Imagine this, a human not stepping outside. You're like a caveman that hasn't discovered any light. That's why I have one more story for you. That it was like a week in 2019. Before COVID, I wasn't even going outside. I remember just staying in my house, playing at my phone, going around the house, eating sugar. I hated my life, and that's why I think improving the movement that you do daily is more important than anything. It's more important than maybe even going to the gym. If you just move, you are going to become better. And in this video, I'm going to teach you the full guide to movement, to moving around, having the best body, increasing your physicality, like your muscles, your strength, flexibility, and other things like that. Let's get into a video. Before that, click on the subscribe button. I'm going to make more videos like this one. Check out the other videos because they are full of insights that will be useful for you when you are going to start or even continue your self-improvement journey. So, I want to just right now tell you that moving is the most important thing. Why? Let me tell you a story. One day I was at my home. I was a little kid. I think I had like 8 years old. I was like 8 years old or 10 years old. I don't remember this story very well. But I was sitting in my home. It was like 5 p.m. playing some kind of video game when my doorbell rang and some kids were asking me to go outside. Because I was so retarded and so anxious of going outside, I thought all the time that some guy is going to mug me, some guy is going to kidnap me. I rejected them. I just closed the phone. They came even to my door and started knocking on it. I didn't go outside because I was so retarded. I was so scared of going outside more than, 2-3 hours per week. Imagine that. How could my life have been changed? How could my physique have been like different from what is it now if I just went outside for my whole childhood every day? Imagine that. Going for your whole childhood every day, it could have changed your life a lot better. Let's get to the first tip on this movement guide. Scientists nowadays tell you that going for 5,000 steps, 10,000 steps changes your life. And it's like so beneficial to you. Trust me, right now, listen to me. 2,000 steps, I think that 2,000 steps, not 2,000, 20,000 steps or 30,000 steps per day is a lot better. Because when you're doing 2-3 hours per day of walking constantly or cardio, you're living like our ancestors. Our ancestors didn't do just 1,000, 5,000, 10,000 steps per day, like 1 hour of walking. They worked for, let's say, 5-6 hours continuously, searching for food, water, shelter, and other type of things needed in their lives. You're living closer to our ancestors who worked so much. If you're going to walk 20,000, 30,000 steps per day, so this is the first tip. Walk at least 1 hour per day, but 2-3 hours is the essential, is the optimal part that you can implement into your movement daily. Now, I want you to understand this. If you're going to implement this movement guide in your life, you're going to reach your aesthetic body way faster, your dream future wife faster. Just because you do something that not everyone does. you are better right now than 90% of people. No one will tell you this, but just implementing these tips from my guide will change your life forever. Trust me. I have implemented these tips for 1-2 years and my life has changed forever. Let's go on to the next step of this guide. Stretching. Listen to this. I was at like a kickboxing gym. I have like 2 years experience of kickboxing. I quit it, but I remember one day going to my kickboxing class gym and we were doing so many stretches and I was asking myself, why are we doing these things? They are useless. I do not feel any muscle gain. Stretches are not for muscle gain. They are for muscle resistance. I haven't got like a muscle tear or injury in over 6 years, I can say, just because I started going to that one kickboxing class. Imagine that. Not even one injury, not even a broken bone. Yes, I got one when I hit my head into a steel thing. There's like a scar here. But if I could just go back in time and tell myself, when I was asking myself that question, I was sitting in like doing these things and this in my gym, kickboxing gym. I wish I could just go and went and told him that you are going to have no injuries because of this. So stretch more. You're asking me how to stretch. Routine, should I search this stretch, this stretch? No. Stretch what your muscle wants you to stretch. If, let's say, your muscle wants you to stretch this, do like this, stretch like this, do this, anything like that. If you feel like stretching your neck right now, your neck is stiff, do it. Your shoulders, do it. That's okay. Next, the third tip in this video, how to do them 20 or 30k steps per week. Do light brisk cardio or zone 2. So light brisk cardio is when, let's say, you are running late for school and you walk faster. So it's like faster walking, closer to running. It's the best, most effective studied type of cardio. Let's say zone 1 is like walking, zone 0 is staying and just moving around like this, staying however right now. Zone 5 is the worst one, and let's say the ones that cyclers do when you're running a marathon at full speed. If you want to win a race, that's zone 5 cardio. 6 to 10 hours per week of this and it will change your life. 2-3 hours of walking per day, it will also change your life. I know it's hard, I know it seems weird. No scientist is telling you 6 to 10 hours of going on a walk, but trust me, you are playing, in 2020 I was like playing 5-6 hours of games per week, minimum. You cannot do 6-10 hours of walking. What kind of human are you? I used to be like that, and I changed my life. A 30-minute walk. I remember I was on my phone reading a study called, I don't know, it's like the science of being happy or something like that. I don't remember. It was from like the Yale University. Shout out Yale University. The science of happiness, something like that. I don't fucking remember. But I was watching a course on how to be happy, and one of their best studies in that course is that a $30K promotion is less effective than a 30-minute walk every day. So a 30-minute walk, you just walking 30 days straight for 30 minutes per day, will make you happy than having an increased salary with $30,000, $30, like $1,000 promotion. Imagine that, bro. Imagine how your life is changed just by getting a 30-minute walk per day. You're also going to get closer to that 2,000, 10,000, 30,000 steps per day, doing this 30-minute walk every day, and then doing some kind of cardio. But trust me, it will change your life. I have so many stories. Let me just drink water and I will tell you. Fuck. I remember I was on a walk, very long walk, in a local touristic attraction place in my country, at a mountain range. I was walking very long path every day. That path had like minimum 5,000 steps to reach the ends of it. So I was starting from this point to this point and going back. It changed my life. I was feeling so energetic. Imagine this. It's so weird. You are walking a lot and you feel more energetic. I slept better. That's why many people tell you this. If you want to sleep better, just have a busy day. Go do a lot of things. Go outside, have an adventure. Search a place in your city that you haven't seen before. Anything like that. Trust me, it will change you. 5,000 steps from your home to, let's say, one of your city's parks or shopping centers. It will change your life. You'll feel better. You'll sleep, let's say, for 2-3 days the best. You'll have no brain fog. You'll be able to do your job better. You'll be more sociable, trust me. If you're going out every day doing 10,000, 15,000 steps per day minimum, you're going to be more sociable. The girl that you approach has a higher chance of being acceptable to you because you feel like a normal human being. You don't feel like an NPC who just sits at his desk doing some kind of work, some self-improvement nerd. Do not become that self-improvement nerd I see every day. Like those guys that focus on, 2 hours of sleep this day, then I take my supplements, then I go do this, I stay inside, work on my business, go research Imangaji. Bro, do not become like that. Go outside, have fun, go to the gym, park, shopping centers. Do not buy anything, do not buy slop, do not eat like junk food, drink, sodas, things like that, because 90% of people are doing that. Imagine how your life will change if you do that. But imagine going on a walk, having fun, and not becoming a self-improvement nerd. That's why movement is so important today. My name is Kalin, coaching. My mission is to spread a message that there is a hack to everything in life. Hack your way close to perfection, and I appreciate you. I'm grateful for you watching to the end of this video.